teacher.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, oh, what's that? What are you holding? What is that? What's that? What are you holding?
Crayon.
Oh, a crayon. Where is your like this? Can you show me your like this? Wait, you're like this.
Oh.
Where is it?
Oh.
Oh, where are you? Are you getting it?
Um. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I dropped my toy. This is an Apple song. Uh-oh. Let's take a picture. Okay.
Rabbit.
Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, so now how are you tonight, Baunga?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good what? Good afternoon? What happened to your okay, what happened to that?
Mm.
It's so cute. Okay, are you ready to start with look, I have something here.
Oh, in a book?
It's not a book, wait.
Oh, teacher.
Yes. Look at this one.
What is that?
It's something like this. Wait, let me close my light first so that you can see it. Look, I also have a makeup.
Makeup?
Yes?
Wow.
Okay, are you ready to start with our class? Ready? Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? And just give me a few seconds. All right, can you see our screen right now? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, Baungok? Okay, so now Bangak first, we are going to listen to this one, okay? So what you're going to do is you need to listen and answer this after a while.
Page 73. C. Listen and number. Then write. 1,
Picture. Picture.
2,
Measure.
Measure,
Measure.
Measure?
measure, S.
3,
I don't know
Treasure.
measure. S.
Treasure.
4,
Okay, last one.
Nature. Nature.
Okay, do you want to listen one more time?
Yes.
Okay.
3, C. Listen and number. Then write. 1,
Picture.
Teacher.
Picture.
My book.
2,
I cannot see you.
Measure.
My book.
Measure.
Yeah, a book.
3,
Treasure. treasure,
4,
nature, nature,
Nature.
Search.
page 73.
Okay, so now
C.
Bangok, what you're going to do is you need to write the missing letters, okay? So you need to complete the word. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, and you can start now.
Now and round.
Okay, please write the missing word, missing letter to complete the word. Okay,
Yeah. Muffin. Melty.
what?
Melty.
Measure,
Magic.
measure.
Magic.
It's MEASURE and E. Measure. Okay, can you please write the word measure?
Measure?
Yes, measure.
I don't know measure.
Oh, you don't know the measure?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. S Sure. Measure. Okay, how about next? The next one. What's that?
Picture.
What?
Picture.
All right, picture. Can you please write the missing letter to complete the word? Picture.
Picture.
Okay, can you please write the missing letter to complete the word?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay, picture. uh,
Không chấm được đâu.
pick,
Cho, cho, cho tôi tại đây.
uh,
No.
almost there.
Oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, no.
You're almost there.
There.
Okay. The next letter is R, and the last one is E. Okay, how about the next word? What is our next word?
Nature.
Nature. Okay, can you please write the missing letter to complete the word? Okay, all right, all right, all right. Okay, how about next? The last one. What is the last one?
Treasure.
Treasure. Okay, can you please write the word treasure?
Treasure.
Treasure. Re.
Is R.
Trrr, trrr, trrr. Okay, can you please write it to complete the word? Treasure.
Thì con vẫn viết bài.
Okay, please write the missing letter to complete the word. Look, I also have bangs. Look at me. But my bangs are long. Oh,
Is a fish.
what?
Is a fishy.
Okay, can you please complete the word this one here already? All right, 3, 4. Okay, good job. All right, so now let's proceed with the next one here. We got read and number. Okay, first, can you please read number 1?
E.
I.
I'm. I'm. I'm.
Okay, I.
I'm.
I measure.
I measure the knife.
Knife. Okay, can you say knife?
Knife.
Okay, how about number 2? Can you please read number 2? Okay, can you please read number 2?
The treasure is in the castle.
Okay, the treasure is in the
Castle.
okay castle. Okay, how about next? Number 3.
I like
Um,
to read books about
huh?
her.
I like to read books about nature. Okay, number 4. Okay, how about number 4?
This is a picture of the lamb.
All right, this is a picture of a lamb. Okay, okay, all right. I measure with the knife. Next, the treasure is in the castle. Next, I like to read books about nature. And the last one is this is a picture of a lamb. Okay, thank you so much of that. Banguk, and you did a very, 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 very great job. Okay, so now let's proceed with this. Okay, lesson and chat, then read. Okay, teacher will be
Page
played.
73. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Let's dance.
Measure, picture, treasure.
Measure, picture, treasure.
Measure, picture.
Measure, picture.
Picture, treasure.
picture, treasure.
Measure, picture, treasure.
Measure, picture, treasure.
Treasure, picture, measure.
Treasure, picture, measure.
I measure the picture
I measure the picture
of the treasure.
of the treasure.
I measure the picture of the treasure.
I measure the picture of the treasure.
Okay, so now can you please read this one?
Page 73.
Uh-oh.
E. Listen
Huh?
Okay. I measure the picture
Wrong.
of the treasure.
Teacher, what's
Yes,
wrong?
baby. It played again. Okay, can you please read this one? I measure the picture of the treasure.
Uh,
I measure.
I measured the picture of the treasure.
All right. Okay, so now let's proceed to this one. Okay, so here, Baongok, we are going to listen and learn about
page
this
74.
one.
Tion Sion.
Uh-huh.
A. Listen and learn.
This is a station. What is the ending sound in the word station?
Okay, what is the
Shun.
ending sound?
That's right.
Shun.
Shun. Station.
Shun. Okay, can you say it?
This is a television. What is the ending sound in the word television?
Shun.
Okay, shun.
That's right. Jeune. Television.
Okay, so now let's watch the
Yeah.
video.
This is
I
a station. What is the ending sound in the word station?
Shun.
That's right.
Yes, baby, what was
Shun.
that?
I'm not one. I'm not one. Read the video.
You don't want
Listen video.
to watch this one?
Listen video.
You don't want to listen to the video?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So can you please read the word station?
Station.
Okay, what is the ending sound of the word station?
Turn.
Shan. How about television?
Shun.
All right, another shan. Okay, have you been on a station, Baungok?
Station.
Have you been on a station?
I don't know.
How about, do you usually watch television?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So now let's proceed to the exercise B. Listen, point, and read. So teacher will be playing the audio and the exercise B, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Page 74. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
Uy.
Stay. Shun. Station.
Stay, shun, station.
2.
Compete. Shun.
Competition.
Competition.
Compete. Shun. Competition.
Okay, next one.
3.
Television. Television.
Television, television.
Uh-oh.
4.
Uh-oh.
Excursion. Excursion.
Excursion. Excursion.
Okay, so now Baungok. Can you please read number 1?
Number 1 is station.
Station. Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2 is competition.
Computation.
Computation.
Number 3 is
Number 3 is television.
television. Number 4 is
Excursion.
all right, excursion. Because of that, you get a star. Can you see it?
People.
Wait, let me remove my background so that you can see the star.
Wait for me, teacher.
Okay, look at this one. Oh,
Wow! Oh, wow! Right.
yeah,
Really?
a rabbit.
Rabbit. Pizza.
Okay, so now let's continue already, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Oh, I cannot see you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I dropped my toy. Uh-oh, again. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, 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 banana. Chicken, banana. Okay, we got your lesson and connect. Where are they going? Okay, what you're going to do is you need to listen and connect the words. So
Page
here you go.
75. C. Listen and connect. Where are they going?
Start at the children. Draw a line to the word competition.
Okay,
Playing.
competition.
Draw a line to the word nature.
From the children to competition.
Draw a line to the word picture.
Oh, you're not drawing a line.
Draw a line to the word television.
Okay, television.
Draw a line to the word measure. Draw a line to the word treasure. Draw a line to the word station.
Station.
Draw a line to the station.
Okay, so now did you remember everything?
Page 7.
You did not draw a line. You did not do like this.
Oh. Oh.
You did
Oops.
not do like this. Okay, so let's listen one more time. And please
Okay.
draw a line, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
C.
Sorry, teacher.
Listen
It's okay,
and connect.
baby.
Where are they going?
You are my baby Baungok.
Start at the children. Draw
Okay, you
a
can
line to
start
the
at
word
the children.
competition. Draw a line to the word nature.
Oh, you still did not draw a line.
Draw a line to the competition.
75.
Okay,
C.
one more time.
Listen.
Okay, so Baungok, let's just have this one on our next class, okay?
Okay,
Because
teacher.
we already reached the time. So now, Baungok, I hope you enjoy, you learn, and you have fun during our class. Okay, so for
Okay,
tonight,
teacher.
bye-bye.
Oh, teacher, teacher.
Okay, wait. Wait. Someone would like to say hello.
Oh, hello.
Okay, bye-bye, Bongo.
Bye-bye, teacher.